There are many keyboard shortcuts available. Download a complete list here. Sometimes it's useful to see inside a shape. To make a shape transparent, click the Transparent checkbox, or simply tap the T key on your keyboard. To hide a shape, click the light bulb icon for that shape, or use Ctrl-H on your keyboard. To show all hidden shapes, click the light bulb icon in the menu bar, or use Ctrl-Shift-H on your keyboard. To drop an object to the surface, click the black cone and start moving down. When the elevation parameter appears, type in 0 and hit Enter. Alternatively, tap the D key on your keyboard. By default, shapes in Tinkercad are low resolution. Use shape settings to increase resolution. Smoothness. For a cylinder, use the Sides slider. For a sphere, use the Steps slider. Use the rotation tool to rotate an object. Use the outer increment ring to rotate 1 degree at a time, or use the inner increment ring to rotate 22.5 degrees at a time. Tinkercad can import SVG images and convert them into STL files. The Align tool will center shapes or align shapes along a common edge. For more precise positioning, use the ruler. In addition to basic shapes, Tinkercad offers many other options. Featured shapes are different from basic shapes. All does not include shapes from any other category. Don't be misled by a shape's preview image. Drag each shape onto the work plane and explore the options. Be sure to scroll to the bottom of each list to see additional pages of shapes. Add shapes to favorites by clicking the star. You can also add your own original shapes for easy reuse later. There's lots of useful information on the Tinkercad blog. You can access it here. Tinkercad's YouTube channel has 2 helpful playlists: tutorials, available here, and Tinker Tips, available here. Other tutorial creators include Filament Friday, available here, ModTech, available here, and Chaos Core Tech, available here.